guys, welcome back to my channel. Here are the extra steps I took to finish this pink and red makeup look. Hope you enjoy. I'm going back to my trusty BloodSugar palette and dipping into this darker brown shade called Intro Venus. I'm using a dense, slightly angled brush to contour my nose. I'll lay the color along the bridge of my nose and the nostrils. This will give me a cute button nose effect and make my nose thinner. Let's smooth out those harsh lines along the nose bridge. I'm using a dense foundation brush because it helps blend the darker shade into the foundation. It may be a little difficult to see, but I'm drawing a V shape beneath the tip of my nose. The dark brown will add shadow and give me that desired button nose effect. Add a couple of drops of light concealer on the bridge of your nose to give you that nice highlight. I'm going in with my NYX-Dewy lipstick and dabbing it lightly along my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. Let's keep our fingers crossed and hope these stickers survive. If they do, then we will have a cute heart-shaped outline, and if not, we'll just draw it in. A wise painter once said, there are no such things as mistakes, just happy accidents. Let's use a dense brush to blend the color into our cheeks. If you thought we were done with our blush, then you are strongly mistaken. Let's add a rosy pink blush to properly set the red lipstick.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
Awesome! Now that we have our eyes and blush in check, let's see how our heart stickers are doing. Grab the face paint of your choice. Oops, I guess we'll have to draw that one in. Since we still have our liquid lipstick out, let's use that to draw in our heart. We can then set it with the eyeshadow powder so it sticks. Let's use our gel eyeliner to trace the outline of the heart to give it a thick black border. Alright, I'm going to use my ABH setting powder to set the smile lines and underneath the eyes and carve out my cheekbones. Let's give our face a quick dusting and we'll be all set. Alright, time to prep the lips with the lip scrub. I'm using my Jeffreestar lip scrub in Blueberry Pie. I'm going in with 2 layers of red liquid lipstick from my Jeffreestar collection. I'm using a matte red called Red Rum and a metallic red from the Velour-liquid lipstick set. Oops, let's get that off the teeth.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.